थैंक यू प्लीज ऐसा बैठ के बोलना नहीं बिना अनुमति everything serious only will be raised in the house. I know the seriousness of our members. The special mentions, as I told you yesterday, special mention only you have to mention this is subject and then rate. Rajmani Patel ji, Sri Rajmani Patel, where is he? Rajmani ji, Lok Sabha.
Lok Sabha chamber.
Please. Rajamani Patel, please. One of the active members. Please.
माननीय सभापति जी, राष्ट्रमंडल प्रशिक्षण संस्थान केंद्र रीवा में स्थापित करने के संबंध में मैं सदन का ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहता हूं। आज विश्व में राष्ट्रमंडल खेल के प्रति बड़े स्तर पर बालक बालिकाओं की रुचि दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ती जा रही है। हमारे देश के नौजवान
नहीं मेन पॉइंट क्या है? यू वांट एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ ए कॉमनवेल्थ स्पोर्ट ट्रेनिंग सेंटर एट रीवा, इतना है ना?
माननीय सभापति
बस प्लीज, ये तो स्पेशल मेंशन है। श्री राकेश सिन्हा
from Lok Sabha gallery, Lok Sabha chamber, sir.
Lok Sabha chamber, please.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir, for providing me opportunity to raise an important issue. In the background of natural disaster of various forms, disaster management course should be initiated in schools and colleges, and also on the pattern of NCC and NSS. A disaster management
Thank you.
should be initiated.
For compulsory disaster management training in schools and colleges, that is the subject. Please write on that. Sri Yadamaram Karim, please.
To railway tracks in Delhi in light of Supreme Court order to evict them.
Thank you. Dr. Fauzia Khan. Fauzia Khan ji, Lok Sabha chamber. Please, ma'am.
Sir, my special mention is about mental
Please.
health issues.
Anand ji,
We
please
need a
prepare.
robust strategy to tackle the mental health issues with necessary
I have to hear from
amendments in
Lok Sabha.
laws. This is my special mention, sir.
right, ma. Good. नया होने के बाद भी आपने अच्छा इश्यू उठाया। डॉक्टर किरोड़ीलाल मीना, मीना जी कहाँ हैं? डॉक्टर मीना नहीं। हाँ, श्री डॉक्टर अमर पटनायक, डॉक्टर अमर पटनायक, लोकसभा।
लोकसभा सर, लोकसभा सर, लोकसभा सर।
हाँ प्लीज बोलिए।
Thank you, sir. Sir, according to the fourth All India Handloom Census 2019-20, 31.45 lakh households are engaged in handloom activities, making it the second largest employment sector. And the majority of the households earn less than rupees 5,000 per month.
Good.
According to the UNDP, sir.
Please, you have to mention only subject.
So I propose a central sector scheme for the weaving community in India.
Right.
With
Central formulation of a central sector scheme for the weavers community in India.
Yes,
that
sir.
is the
I
subject.
lay the papers. I lay
Right.
the
Thank
papers.
you. Sri Abdul Wahab, Kerala. Sri Abdul Wahab. No. Nice. Kहाँ? No, he is not there. Honorable members, we are going to the incomplete discussion on the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda bill. Yesterday, already one speaker has spoken, and I have been informed by the ruling party that they are withdrawing their speakers, because the suggestion is even other parties who have given name. I am not suggesting withdrawal, I will never say that, but please try to conclude it as far as possible, because next we are going to have discussion on COVID. Statement made by minister, then discussion. So discussion will be there up to 1 o'clock. So to give more time for the discussion, which is very important, I request you to please confine to minimum possible extent. What is the point about?
It's about the discussion on COVID pandemic.
बात कर रहे थे आप।
It's a discussion on COVID pandemic. the entire management, coordination of the states, lockdown, all notifications.
There is no
under
point
the
of order
NDMA
involved in
Act.
this.
Please, sir.
There is
is
no
under the
point of
Ministry
order in this.
Home Affairs.
All issues can be discussed connected with the health. That's all.
Under the health ministry, sir.
Right.
It's
COVID.
under the Ministry of Home Affairs.
Take. COVID.
Disaster Management Act,
Take.
all notifications,
Right.
all coordination with the states. Let's do justice to this discussion. We cannot just pass it off only as a medical matter.
Okay, agreed? So no discussion now. No, but he has a point.
Point of order, sir. On that, I don't mind, we'll finish this discussion, then I may raise it. If you want to finish this.
No, I am on this issue.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
I am on the limited issue, COVID statement given by Health Minister of the health management of the country. If the members want to hear the Minister for Health, we will go to that. Or if you members want to hear from Home Minister, then we have to think
Sir.
about it and then decide it.
Sir, this is point of order,
What is the
sir.
point of order?
Yes, sir. Sir, 176, sir. Sir, the list of business today. Now, of course, we heard the minister's statement yesterday. I think about 17, 18 of us have given our notices for clarification to that discussion limited to the health. Limited to health. Sir, the problem which I want to bring to your notice is that one subject can be discussed in the one session. So, we are looking at it from the point of view of the health is equal to COVID. So today we can do that. But sir, within the rules, will you consider the COVID, because of how large this event is, can this also be discussed under a 176 notice, which can be given separately? Today is seeking of clarifications and discussion.
Please. See, what is discussion? In discussion, you raise the issue. In discussion, you ask for clarification. In discussion, you make suggestions. You give your ideas. You share the shortcomings, if any, identify. And then what can be rectified, that you say. This is according to my understanding. I don't have that much understanding because I have been there only for 24 years, that's all. So, but that is my understanding of any discussion. In discussion includes questioning the government, discussion includes highlighting shortcomings, discussion includes suggestions, improvement, and but that too, it is being such a sensitive matter where people are looking to us. They're all in stress. People are looking to us for some new ideas, and it's a matter to be dealt by, as I rightly said, it's state as well as center. So keeping that in mind, the health minister has made a detailed statement about the steps taken as far as the health of the country is concerned. There are other issues, I do agree. Economy is another issue. We are discussing it separately. For example, GST is issue that we are discussing also. And then, Shiva, I have no problem, but you have only another 3 weeks.
They unexpectedly gave a statement yesterday and we can only seek clarification. But this is a very important, vast subject.
Only to us.
So either you give us more time.
Unexpectedly, expectedly, kya hai? This is
No,
only
sir, we were
question of
asking for
18 days.
short
Please,
duration
please
discussion,
sit down.
elaborate
Please,
discussion.
please. Please sit down. Please sit down. 18 days is the session. And in the 18 days, in the BSc also it was suggested some 4 or 5 subjects. I can take one subject every week. So if you feel that, then we'll have it next time as and when time permits. But then, how can you eat the cake and have it again? So my point is, I am saying, let us hear we heard the minister, let us discuss that, and after that, if anything else remains, that will be seen and separate notice, somebody has said, separate notice will be given. Ahmed Patel ji?
पूछ सकते हैं हमें डिस्कशन चाहिए ताकि उस पर ज्यादा डिटेल में बोल सके क्लैरिफिकेशन में क्या होगा यू कैन आस्क ओनली वन क्वेश्चन ज्यादा आप अलाउ करेंगे
Who said, I did not say clarification.
पार्डन सर
I did not insist on clarification. I said discussion. 2.5 hours.
डन सर
Hello, please.